Hello, everyone. So to just jump quickly into this, in case you missed it, as Bruno said, we want to just highlight this feature. So we heard a consistent message from loads of student feedback over the years that exams rarely test just one lecture. So instead, they're pulling on themes that run across several weeks or even an entire module. So up to now, a lot of revision tools, including earlier versions of QuizMe, focus on one event at a time, which is helpful, but it doesn't actually mirror the way that students are really assessed. So we've built QuizMe in collections to help students practice those big picture connections. So QuizMe in collections helps students to generate one quiz that spans multiple events within one collection. So practically that means you go to a collection in Genio Notes, tap QuizMe, select up to 10 events you want to revise together, and then QuizMe will pull questions from each of those recordings and build a single mixed quiz that reflects the way exams actually work, drawing on ideas from across the course. So there's two key pieces are at work here. So we've got the big picture learning. So students aren't just memorizing isolated facts from one lecture. They're forced to recall and connect ideas that might have been covered weeks apart, which is much closer to the reality of learning. And then active recall. So as I'm hopeful that most of you will know, learning science is really built into our products. So QuizMe uses active recall, getting students to pull information out of memory and not just reread notes. And that's one of the most effective ways to move knowledge from short-term to long-term memory. So used regularly, QuizMe in collections help students to check, do I really understand this as a whole, not just do I remember last Tuesday's lecture? You can find a bit more about QuizMe in collections here. I think Anisha will drop the link into the chat.